Do you wake up early in the morning? Do you exercise after waking up? Do you check your phone in the morning? Do you drink tea or coffee every day? Do you read the news in the morning? Do you take a shower before going to work? Do you wear a white coat to work? Do you reach the hospital on time? Do you attend morning rounds? Do you check patients in the OPD? Do you talk politely to your patients? Do you write prescriptions daily? Do you help nurses in emergency cases? Do you perform surgeries sometimes? Do you work in night shifts too? Do you attend hospital meetings regularly? Do you eat lunch at the hospital canteen? Do you take short breaks during work? Do you get phone calls from patients? Do you give health advice to people? Do you update patient records every day? Do you attend medical camps sometimes? Do you visit your clinic after hospital work? Do you reach home late in the evening? Do you spend time with your family at night? Do you read books before sleeping? Do you reply to messages at night? Do you check your next day's schedule? Do you feel tired by the end of the day? Do you feel tired by the end of the day?